Another meeting, packed with updates, decisions, action items, and yet no one's writing anything down. Sound familiar? You're trying to keep up, listening, taking notes, delegating tasks, all at once. By the time you finish writing one thing, you've already missed the next three. Meet Minutes.AI, your new smart meeting assistant. Just one tap, and it starts working, silently, in the background, capturing everything. It listens, it understands, and it turns messy meetings into clear, structured notes, tasks, summaries, follow-ups, delivered before you even leave the room. Now, your manager doesn't just appreciate you, they rely on you because you deliver clarity. And most importantly, you save time. Try Minutes.AI today. Smarter meetings in just one click. For more AI tricks and tools, don't forget to follow, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Comment viral to get the link in DMs. Your support helped me keep creating awesome content for you. See you in the next video.